Welcome to this short overview of Teamstudio Profiler. Profiler is a LotusScript performance monitoring tool that times each line of LotusScript as you run it. Within this test database, we've taken some code that's been reported as having a bottleneck and put it behind an action. We've also added a couple functions that do the same thing. We want to see which runs faster so we know which to promote to production. We click on the red icon to initiate Profiler from the toolbar and click Begin. Once it's running, it's watching for LotusScript to be run in our client. So we run the action. Once it's completed, we close Profiler down. Our Profiler results screen show a percentage parent column. This indicates the amount of time spent in that function, and that function's children as a percentage of the parent function. In this case, our top-level function is initialize, so 100% of our time has been spent in there and in the children functions. These results are expected. The two other functions listed are display view names and view name status bar. These are the functions we added to compare for speed, so we know which to push to production. By comparing the percentages between these two, we can see the view name status bar function takes a third of the time of the display view names function. So we'd use view name status bar going forward. If we look into the source tab of initialize to see about our bottleneck, we can see how Profiler has timed each line of code. We can see that lines 23 to 26 take about 70% of the time. Profiler shows us these results, but as developers, it's up to us to interpret them. Is this as expected? Is there something we can improve upon? Should we rewrite just these lines or the whole function? Profiler watches LotusScript as we run it on the client. The element column reports in which element the code has been run. If we were to call a script library from this code, it would be followed and reported on as well. Profiler can also run on a Domino server to watch scheduled agents and web-triggered agents, but we'd still need the Profiler client to view the results. That was a short overview of Teamstudio Profiler. If you have any questions, please contact us.